We have Junior Suite 10630 Utopia of the Seas, and they have the inaugural season rainbow cards. You do the tap tap. This is a Junior Suite, and you walk in and you know right away it is a Junior Suite. It is bright and airy, and you got your big area here. This TV does come out an angle, so you can watch that TV from your bed, by the way. It's got a nice triple size sofa. It can sleep people if you have more than 2 guests. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Look at that, beautiful. It's got the tub. You have to be careful getting out of these things. And the marble sink, nice and spacious. And of course, the walk-in closet is nice. It's a beautiful room. Have your robes. You have another little area here with shelves and a hanging area, a couple of drawers. There's your safe. When we go on Icon of the Seas, I will show you the hidden safe. I could not find it for days when I went on Icon. I'm gonna have to maybe quiz my wife, see if she can find it. But here is your little vanity area, and it's big space here. There should be like a table here or something. Seems like something's missing right here. I don't know. Like a table, like one of those flat tables or something. I don't know.
You can hang your hats though.
But here is the balcony, and it's a nice extra large balcony. Comes with the Junior Suites, and I requested an ocean view balcony, and I'm gonna have to go complain because this is not an ocean view, this is a parking lot. So I'll take that up with guest services. But there is the balcony. It's the newest ship in the fleet, second largest cruise ship in the world, and I think our luggage might be arriving. We had it delivered from the Key Lunch. Here are the amenities, and there are plenty of outlets and things. You have USB and different types. If you have European adapters, those are great. There are also USB ports and outlets on each of these nightstands. So that is your Junior Suite 10630 Utopia of the Seas. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my entire playlist on Utopia of the Seas. It will be in the description. Thank you.